Guys, today has been a freaking morning.
Yeah, that's different.
Cute. It takes too much time to do. Bam, like hi. Under eye bags who? This isn't handyman Alicia, but laundry.
Looking pretty freaking good.
Doing laundry, so. I hate laundry. A memoir by Alicia. Freaking collapses. Oof. That was my memoir. The end. Good morning, everyone. What is up? Guys, today has been a freaking morning. Not necessarily good or bad. It's just been a morning. First breakdown of, you know, the quarantine season. I feel like I've just been crying all morning for different reasons. Some were like happy tears and some were like stress tears, and like it was just a lot. But I'm totally fine now. Like I'm so fine. There's not like a big reason. It's just, it was one of those things, you know? I feel like I was kind of waiting for like the first cry session of, you know, just quarantine life, because, you know, the past few weeks it's just like been a whole bunch of little things, and today was that day where it just felt so good to finally cry. But I'm feeling so much better. In the beginning of the day I was like, you know, I'm not even gonna vlog today. It's totally fine. But once I like got it all out of my system, I was like, Alicia, you know what? Like I'm feeling good. And the one thing I wanted to do was just get ready. I didn't realize how much getting ready really just makes me feel so like good in my day. So like I put my hair in a little ponytail and I put a little clip in my hair. I honestly was gonna do heat, but I was like, Alicia, what's the point of doing heat? You're not leaving the house. But we did a little updo. Still need to put on some makeup, but today's just a chill day. I'm gonna get some editing done. Other than that though, like I have a shit ton of laundry that I've been putting off for a few days now, and you know, the roommates are calling me out on it because it's still all just down in the laundry room. So yeah, a little different start to the vlog today. It's so funny. I'm such a YouTuber. The first thing I wanted to do while I'm like mid sobbing was like grab my camera to be able to be like, if you guys feel this way too, it's okay. I clearly didn't, otherwise you would see the footage here. Anyways, let's put on some lip balm and take on our day. Oh no. My Fenty lip balm is struggling, just like me this morning. Honestly, how much longer these lash extensions are gonna last, because I mean they still look somewhat decent surprisingly, because I've had them on for like at least 2 weeks now, but I'm sure I just cried half of them out just now, so oh yep. If you guys have never had lash extensions, it's actually the funniest thing of life, because you have to like brush them out every day. Like yeah, we brush our hair every single day, that's normal, but like it takes a while to get used to like freaking brushing out your eyelashes. It's a weird concept. Ow! Ah, that's not supposed to happen. Oh my god. Dang it, now I just made it so bad. Let's freaking tackle this day, yo. Ash made us lunch. Thank you.
Really working with the canned tuna thing.
Yeah, honestly, I freaking love tuna salad. We haven't had that in so long. Oh my god, mom and dad used to make it all the time. Ash and Taryn were able to run to the store this morning because we were out of a lot of stuff. So thank you guys. Thanks, bitches.
No problem.
This is what I was talking about. I have all my laundry here that Ashley's been dying to have me pick up. Okay guys, quick update. I just had a call that went like an hour. It was so productive. It made me feel really good. So getting a late start, but we're gonna go put some makeup on this face because much needed. Actually, no, you are beautiful the way you are, Alicia, don't listen. But I still wanna put makeup on, okay. Oh, it's on manual focus. Okay, I put powder on before I completely forgot to put on concealer, so hopefully putting it on top is not too bad. I'm not kidding, I was gonna go without it, and then I looked and like my under eyes are not normally bad. I feel like lately they've been a little like girl, you get some sleep kind of, you know? I'm just gonna fix that. And then now they're very, very white. We got this. Oh my god, now I feel like I'm just staring at my under eyes and now they're like really bright. Oh my god. Okay, well, you know what? It's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna finish my makeup really freaking quick so that way I can just be done with it. Because if I sit here and talk, I'm gonna ramble for hours and it's just more editing that Taryn will have to do to it. Yeah, so give me 2 seconds. Let me fix this. Okay, bye. Boom. Makeup is on. Honestly, the under eyes are just a little brighter than normal. I think on camera it looks normal, but like in person it's a little like bam, like hi. Under eye bags who? So much laundry to do. I'm gonna go downstairs and get the rest of my laundry. Actually, let me dump out the clean towels so I can, ooh, oh no, don't fall. So I can use this hamper to bring them up because there's a lot of clothes down there. This isn't handyman Alicia, but laundry. I'm like a hot mess today, guys. It's okay. I guarantee more people are having a day like me. I've been off my water game. So water check, anyone who's watching this, this is the sign for you to go pick up your water and have some water. Hi.
Hello.
Just saying hi.
Hi, Rose.
Join us.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I just poke your eye? I was looking through my camera instead of in person. Hi, honey. Mom.
She's like, Mom, stop.
We're her moms. Oh, baby. I love, she's such a snuggler, guys. Like,
Chloe would freak out right now.
Chloe would be like, get off me.
Can I get your opinion on a thumbnail?
Of course.
I like this one because I like how we're all kind of like looking
Yeah, that's
different
cute.
ways. And then I also really
Hold on,
like,
let me show them.
so I really like this one because we're all like.
It's for your vlog
disarray-
channel or your main channel?
For vlog.
For vlog, okay.
And I'll just have like text in the center right here.
Cute.
And then I like this just because like family photo.
You look so cute. I like the first one better.
Yeah, okay.
Rosie, look at me. Look up here. Yeah. I love her eyes when she looks up. Where's Chloe?
She's probably with TK.
There she is.
When are you gonna put your wallpaper up? It's going up here, right?
Have you shown them the wallpaper?
No.
You should make a surprise. We could totally put it up. It's not that much room. Especially if all four of us did one
I
roll.
really thought it wouldn't be that hard, but Dad made it sound like it was a lot of effort. And I told him
It is
it's
a
not
lot of
normal
work.
wallpaper.
It's a lot of work, but it's like simple. It's just you have to be very thorough. We could totally do it.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go finally do my laundry.
Yay, because I need to do mine and yours is in my way.
No, it's not in the washer dryer.
There's stuff in the dryer.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh, I got I have more than I thought. Okay, bye. Oh my god, do we have an OOTD going on? Yeah. OOTD quarantine edition.
I was saying how these are merch samples.
Oh, yes.
ShopAliciaMarie.com.
I was like, do I hear an OOTD going on? I'm doing laundry, so.
What's gonna be your title and thumbnail?
Probably something about I Hate Laundry, a memoir by Alicia. That is actually funny.
A memoir.
By Alicia Marie. That's funny. Maybe I'll title it that. Okay, let's get this ish. Saying this is mine? Oh, this is mine. Dang it. Sheets. Okay. Wow, we're good. We got this. Honestly, guys, this Amazon rack, freaking obsessed with. If you did not see a recent vlog, I got this little rack thing from Amazon, and my favorite part is that it very easily freaking collapses. Ash, I can confirm that that was my stuff in the dryer. Yeah. Oof. Maybe I'll talk about the reasons why I hate laundry. Number one, it takes too much time to do. Also, when you think you're done, you know, a day or two later, you have the same problem again. It's just like never ending. Reason number three is I get bored doing it. Wow, CEO of complaining. I should be grateful, Alicia. You should be grateful that, you know what, you even have a working washer and dryer, you know? That was my memoir. Oh no, it should end with, and Alicia, don't complain. The end. Anyways. Okay guys, apparently I have a lot of packages. I'm not sure what they are. I'm hoping this is the garlic powder I ordered. So quick little unboxing, yo.
Hello everyone, this is Taryn. As you know, I edit Alicia's vlogs, and as you can clearly see, Homegirl forgot literally the one thing she's in charge of, which is making sure the sound is working and, you know, all the things are recording. So I'm just going to talk for a while because she's sleeping. So looks like she got a package. We saw some makeup wipes. What's in here? Looks like some... Okay, Paul Mitchell. Get it, girl? That's a big one. Definitely going to be borrowing some of those. She's still talking. She's going to be so mad. Oh, okay. Okay. There's some things. Got a little red lid. Okay, packing it back up. Looks like we're done. And we're done.
So since we've been self-isolating, I have not had any commuting time in my car, so I really have not been listening to any podcasts. So I'm going to listen to a podcast, maybe watch some YouTube videos, and put away all this ish. Honestly, I'd love if I could actually just finish that tonight. Sorry if this vlog is like, I don't know. Sorry. Me texting friends. This is literally like, I can't multitask for anything. Oh no, pick a podcast. See, welcome to me and my life. Yeah, also I posted a Instagram IG story and I found a song that's called Laundry. I don't know if anyone will notice. Oh my god, there's so many new ones. Self-Made CEO, Gals on the Go, Skinny Confidential. TK's Juicy Pod with the cover art change. Oh, I want to hear Rim's episode with Cal. Okay, doing laundry time lapse. Oh my god, you guys, I realized while I was putting away clothes, I don't think I ever showed you a final update of the closet. I know I did on TikTok, but I think the vlog that I was working on it, I don't think I ever showed it to you. Now it's still not done. I still have to put one more bookshelf in the corner over here and fix this whole mess over here. I'll show you. This is part of the closet that you guys never really see. I just have a few bins with some hoodies and stuff and some bags and stuff. So the other bookshelf is definitely going right here, but I kind of have to figure out all of this first. That's the last thing that I have to do. However, the rest of it honestly is looking pretty freaking good. Like, I can't believe how much better it looks once I got rid of the other bookshelf. First of all, can I just say I'm very aware this is very over the top and bougie and like it's just a lot, but I love it so much. Oh, also guys, I found a cheaper version of these bookshelves on Wayfair. I linked them in the video of me putting them up and together, but I doubt most of you guys saw it, so I'm gonna put the link also in this video of these ones as well as the cheaper versions for you guys, because I got really excited because they looked at least what it seemed like almost identical. I'm sure they're a little different in person, but honestly it had just like the same vibe, like there was the exact same type of thing. So I'll link those down below for you guys because yo, we love a deal. Ugh, my mic got unplugged again, so I'm so sorry if any of the audio sounded weird. I tried to check it, I don't think it did, but just letting you know. Also, be so proud of me. Laundry, put away. I just need to finish making my bed, but to be honest, I'm like, I'm just gonna sleep in it in a few hours, so should I just like wait? Probably not. I should fix it. I'm gonna fix that. So it's kind of cool because we have this unspoken thing where we all alternate cooking, and TK and I got grouped together, so we cooking tonight. I'll show you what we're making. First, we have a lovely little veggie tray, and then we're making a homemade pasta sauce. Dang, I always feel like it's such bad lighting, but at night it's actually not that bad of lighting. Like, it looks really good right now. It looks so good right now. So we're making that. Then we're gonna put ground turkey in there with some onion, and then we have the carrot spirals from Trader Joe's cooking away. Okay, quick update. The noodles are looking so freaking good. Like, yo. Be excited about that. Ground turkey is cooking away. Update on the sauce. Honestly, guys, like, oop, hold on. Looks so good. TK ended up mashing it up with a metal spatula, and that actually worked really good. So it's kind of nice to not have to blend it and like maybe ruin the blender. We got a nice salad. We have an Ashley. Are you excited for our cooking?
Very. This looks...
The dining room proudly presents
Your dinner.
yeah, thank you everyone. Beauty and the Beast.
She's not a Disney girl.
She ain't a Disney.
We've been dressed up already.
I know as well for Disney as you guys were.
It looks amazing. I hope it tastes amazing. We're about to have dinner. Very excited. I mean, the fact that Taryn said it smelled really good when she was coming downstairs, like,
Solidifies everything. Hell yeah.
it's good.
This is what the LA moms make for their kids and tell them it's spaghetti.
Literally.
This is how it looks plated. I feel like Bottega Louis would like wipe that part off, but let's